Good morning, welcome back everybody to another episode. And in today's episode, sorry if the truck's kind of loud, we're just warming it up right now, but we're going out duck hunting this morning. And today we're taking the canoe out. So we just got a handful of decoys, a jerk cord. It's just me and my brother, and we're just gonna have to take minimal gear in because of the canoe and see if we can't get on some ducks. We're gonna be getting into a pocket that we haven't hunted yet this year, but I think it shows some potential. So right now we're just gonna finish loading up our gear and then get to the lake. So we will see you guys at the lake. Alright everybody, so we got the blind finally all brushed in. We kind of had to make something happen. There wasn't a lot of cover. I thought the grass would be taller in this area, but it's not. So, but we made do. We got a good blind set up. I feel good about it. And we're just going to throw out decoys now. We got about an hour before shooting light here, so I'm going to go ahead and I don't know, we got the wind kind of at our back here, so I'm just going to maybe kind of scatter some out there. No particular pattern. Maybe like a horseshoe pattern kind of. But just kind of scatter them out this way and that way, and I might put out the jerk cord today, just kind of off of this side, and we'll just to give us a little more movement in the water here. So. Right to your left, dude. Wait. No, that's way too far out, dude. Just wait, dude. There's just so many ducks around. Just give them a second. Right here, Cody. Well, there's the first shots, and we definitely missed one. I missed them. They flared on us. There's ducks everywhere right now, dude. Get ready. Here we go. Come straight at us. Wait. Shit. Oh, come on down, man. Come down. Take him. Jesus, man, we suck. Well, we probably shot a little high there. Got ducks, just need them to actually get in here. Shoot. Oh, you missed them. Dang it. All right, here comes a flock right at us. Dang, we suck. What? I missed that strike. Stay low. Stay low. They want it. They might come on in here. Jerk cord action. Got him. Oh, he missed. Jeez, man. They're just not decoying in. We're getting shooting, but man, we need some ducks down. We are sucking it up right now, boys. Guys, we've seen some ducks going down, and there's a little like creek that runs like, or like little like river that kind of feeds in here. It's small, but it feeds in right over there. And I'm just gonna walk down it and see if I can jump shoot some birds that are landed there. So see what happens. There we go. One down. Cody winged that one. I went to go and come over here and just to jump shoot some stuff and see, and they were decoying in here like crazy, and then Cody just started getting a ton of action over there, and then actually one of the mallards he shot landed over here and died. So I gotta grab that mallard. He's shooting like crazy back there. Maybe I just need to go back there. You know, it's a nice bird right there. Whew. Time to get back. That is a walk. Heading back now, guys. Got that one duck here that Cody shot. Definitely ain't my brother shooting. All right, guys, so in efforts to get some more footage here, we're going to load up the canoe and actually canoe up this river channel, because I was able to shoot some out of there, and I feel like if we just do that, we might not even have to throw out decoys. I got shooting in back there, and I didn't even have any decoys. So we're just gonna kind of just start getting around here and see if we can't make some more happen. Guys, we're in the canoe now, and we are getting to a different spot, kind of where I was before I walked, and it was quite the walk. So we're gonna canoe up there and see what happens here. All right, guys, so we are on this marsh. There's ducks in the middle of the water right now in this little marshy pocket. We're gonna try to stalk in on them here and see if we can't get them. Didn't go anywhere, dude. All right. Wait. Here we go. Wait. We got that one, right? Guys, so I'll talk to you guys on the big camera. We're gonna canoe out of here, and then we will check in with you guys, tell you how we did, and yeah, so stay tuned. All right, welcome back, everybody. So I know this is kind of an odd transition. We're in the garage here, but I just kind of put all the gear away. We're kind of loading up into the canoe. I was super drained from walking through that grass. Like I said, I decided to take a trip and leave the spread where my brother was at and kind of try to jump shoot some stuff out of that little creek or river, whatever runs through back there, because we kept seeing birds going down there. Well, the grass was super tall, and I was absolutely drained by the time I got back. Then we canoed up there, but as you guys seen, we had some shooting. Unfortunately, we suck. You know, we came down with some birds there. You know, those geese that we shot at towards the end that you guys seen, we probably shot a little too early. My brother is new to the sport. This is his first year duck hunting. That's only his second time ever being out. And he got a little excited on those geese, a little excited. I told him after, I said, because he's never seen it before, you know, those geese were cupped up, legs were down, they would have dumped in right there, and we could have shot them right before they hit the water there. So, but if you guys are, you know, we all started somewhere, and we get excited at times. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one.